Hello everyone. Take multiple sticks and stick it together. Make two ladder-like shapes on it and then surround it as such. We will be making a bunk bed. Add this on either side and join all of the pieces together. Take multiple small pieces and then make a chair-like shape out of it, and there you have it. Make a bigger shape out of it and then you will have yourself a table as well. Take multiple sticks, stick them together, stick 3 of them together and then make the shape. Make 4 of them. Add sticks in the middle as well as such. Once you are done sticking it all together, you should get a pen stand. Take multiple sticks and arrange it in this position. Now you must have this shape. Next, take multiple ice cream sticks. Arrange them as such. Add a rubber band to the top to make it all the more firm. Add another ice cream stick on the other end, add more rubber bands, add some glue on one of the sides and stick a bottle cap to it. Fling it. Take a stick. Now cut the stick into half. Shave parts of it using a blade and then add thread around this part. Wrap it around it as such. Cut off the excess. Make a bow and arrow. Take multiple earbuds and then color it. Use it as such. Take a stick, add some glue on it, take a smaller piece and make this cross-like shape on it. Take another stick and then stick it together using this rubber band. Take a thread and then tie it around one of the sides. Bring a rubber band around it once more, stick it to the top. Take an ice cream stick and then, using your marker, make 2 holes in it. Add a rubber band on either end of this. Pull and push. Take multiple sticks and arrange them as such. Add longer sticks on either side. Add more sides now and then make this ladder-like shape on the sides. Stick it all together. Next, take 2 sticks together and then tie a rubber band to it. Do this with another stick as well. Go on to the top and then add another rubber band to it. Do this on either side, add a face. Move it accordingly. Thank you for watching.